Welcome children. Today my topic is interconversion of matter. I have already discussed about the matter and in their composition and what the matter is. And what is the matter I have already discussed with you. Now today my topic is interconversion of matter. Interconversion of matter. That means change of state of matter. A matter can be changed from one state to another. As you people know that matter has three states. It can exist in three states: solid, liquid and gases. For example, water at room temperature, water is liquid. Water is liquid at room temperature. But whenever it is kept in freezer, it becomes ice. Ice is the solid state of water. And when we boil some water and taking in a container over a gas burner, some vapors come out of the bulk of water. That is the gaseous state of water. Water vapor is the gaseous state of water. So water can exist in three forms or three states. That is solid state of water originally at liquid state, but at room temperature, ice, which is solid state of water at near about 0 degrees Celsius, and water vapor is the gaseous state. The gaseous state or simply gas state at about 100 degrees Celsius. So, by changing the pressure and temperature of a substance can be changed from one form to another. This is called the interconversion of matter. Here is a triangle that can easily visualize the interconversion of matter. Suppose this vertical triangle solid, and this is liquid, and this is a gas. Change from the liquid state to solid state known as melting. It's known as freezing. And change from solid to liquid called melting. Solid to liquid, and liquid to gas known as the vaporization. That is boiling or evaporation. So solid to liquid, melting, and liquid to gas, vaporization. Again, from gaseous to liquid state, known as condensation. From gaseous to liquid state known as condensation. This is gaseous to liquid state. This is called condensation. and liquid to gaseous state, liquid to solid state, known as the freezing or solidification. Freezing or solidification. From liquid to solid state. Solidification or freezing. So, solid to liquid, melting, or sometimes it is called fusion in case of metals. Basically, when iron is melted to liquid form, known as the fusion of iron, which in case of metals, simply melting, or it can also be termed as fusion. Fusion or melting from solid to liquid, and liquid to solid, known as freezing or solidification. Similarly, from liquid state to gaseous state, known as vaporization, and gaseous to liquid state, known as condensation. Sometimes there is an exceptional cases when a substance can change from solid to directly gas, or vice versa, that is gaseous to solid state, without undergoing the intermediate phase called liquid state. This change, direct change from the solid to gas or gas to solid, that is vice versa, known as the sublimation of matter, is called sublimation. This is called gas to solid or solid to gas, sublimation. Example, our naphthalene balls or moth balls disappear when they are kept in our almirah to stay away the insects. Sometimes moth balls with a solid form, spherical balls, disappear in our almirah. Another example is iodine, ammonium chloride. They can change directly from solid to gas or gaseous form to solid, known as the sublimation of solid. And there are many more examples from changing solid to liquid, liquid to gas, or vice versa, gas to liquid, and liquid to solid. So, all the changes from solid state to liquid state or liquid to gaseous state occur at a fixed temperature. By altering the temperature and pressure, a substance can be transformed from one form to another. Generally, the interconversion takes place at a very fixed temperature. For example, when ice changes to water form, that liquid form, at 0 degrees Celsius. This temperature is known as the melting point of ice. Similarly, water when changes to ice form after losing some amount of heat, it is known as the freezing point. So 0 degrees Celsius, at the same time the melting point, at the same time it is the freezing point of water. Although it is the same, but in case of other substance, the freezing point or melting point may differ. Similarly, from liquid state to gaseous state, change takes place at a fixed temperature. Suppose water boils at 100 degrees Celsius to form water vapor. This temperature known as the boiling point of water. Okay friends, thank you for the day.